Well, hey guys, I'm on the Carnival Jubilee. We're docked in Cozumel, Mexico, and I just thought I would get off with my camera and walk around the port and show you what it looks like. So hey, let's get off and check out Cozumel. Yeah, there's the Carnival Dream in port with us today.
How about one more right here, guys? My beautiful Mexican dancer. Show me a Waco Chaco.
Mano! Warrior sign, there it goes.
We'll spin around and see the Dream and the Jubilee parked side by side. There's the Dream. There's the Jubilee.
Make any color? Hey! 21.
That's where I lost one of my bags.
Cozumel, Mexico. Little replica of that's the Mardi Gras. That's funny.
Yeah.
Well, here's the deal where you get your put your fish, put your feet in the deal and get your feet. I don't. Well, there's the Dream and the Jubilee. There's a twister boat over there. Nice little beach right here. You can get a massage right here, or you can sit in the lounge chairs. Don't look like it's any count for swimming, but it's a nice place to sit. Nitro Country is in Cozumel, Mexico. You can see the Dream and the Jubilee behind us. The Jubilee's a big ship. I've been on both of them. Jubilee this time. Go straight if you're getting on the Dream, and we'll turn right there to get on the Jubilee. So let's head out. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to pan the full length of the Jubilee. There's the Dream in front of the Jubilee. Kind of give you an idea how big this ship really is. I'm going to stop down here low and look up and kind of give you an idea how tall this ship is. Probably don't do it justice, but this is a big ship. Get another shot of this water. And that water's blue, it's crystal clear. Well, here's the entrance, we're back. They even got water set up if anybody wants a drink.
He was moving it and I moved. I'm trying to adjust with help him adjust.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little port walking tour here in Cozumel, Mexico. Hey, if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hey, check out my other cruise videos. Till next time, happy cruising.